Hi students, welcome to DS Economics channel. Today we are going to discuss 2012 Kerala set economics previous year question. This is your part number 2. In this part we are going to discuss from question number 41 to 80 question. Those who come for the first time, please subscribe to this channel, and those who do not watch the previous part videos till now, they can watch in the playlist. So let's start today's video. Today's first question is question number 41. The characteristics features of a good estimator: based, linear, unbiased, all of this. So here the characteristics or features of a good estimator are all of these. So D is the right answer, because a good estimator should be unbiased and based means based efficient, and linear in nature. Linear means if blue is assumed, means best linear unbiased estimator is assumed, then it should be linear. So all of the above are correct according to the characteristic good estimator. So D is the right answer. Then question number 42. Probability is associated with certain events, uncertain events, impossible events, or none. Probability is associated with uncertain event because probability measures the likelihood of uncertain outcomes. We do not assume or we do not know the outcomes of the game. So probability associated with uncertain events like toss a coin or roll a die, etc. So B is the right answer. Then question number 43. Suppose in a binomial distribution n is equal to number of trials, P is equal to probability of success, and Q is equal to probability of failure, then the mean of the binomial distribution is NPQ, NP, PQ, or NQ. So question asked is the mean of binomial distribution. Mean of the binomial distribution is number of trials multiplied by success probability. So number of trials given by N and probability of success given by P. So N into P is the right answer, because the mean of the binomial distribution is how many number of trials and success probability or probability of success, N into P. Then question number 44. The coefficient of skewness of normal distribution is normal distribution coefficient of skewness 3, less than 3, more than 3, or 0. The coefficient of skewness of normal distribution is 0, option D, because normal distribution is symmetric, not asymmetric. So when there is symmetric, then skewness is 0. If it is not symmetric, then it is either it is positively skewed or negatively skewed. But when it is normal distribution means it this type of shape, normal distribution. So here there is no symmetry, so here skewness is 0. So option D is the right answer. Then question number 45. The level of significance is the probability of type 1 error, type 2 error, power of a set. Number of the level of significance is the probability of type 1 error, option A, because it's the chance of rejecting a true null hypothesis or false positive, rejecting when it is true but we reject, it is called as type 1 error. So the level of significance is type 1 error. Then question number 46. The percentage of total variation explained by explanatory variable is F, Z, T, R square. It is R square because R square measures goodness of fit. Here R square, it measures goodness of fit in regression. How this means how much variation in Y is explained by X. So it is measured by R square. The percentage of total variation explained by explanatory variable is R square, option D. Then question number 47. T test is used for small sample, large sample, both. T test is used for small sample size less than 30. T tests, small sample. Then question number 48. The algebraic sum of the deviations of various values from the dash is equal to 0. Coefficient of variation, arithmetic mean or variance. So the algebraic sum of the deviation of various values from the mean is equal to 0. Mean means arithmetic mean. So if we plot it in formula is sigma xi minus x bar is equal to 0. The algebraic sum of the deviations of various values from the mean, arithmetic mean, is equal to 0. So here right option is option number B. Then question number 49. When the observed and expected frequencies completely coincide, chi-square will be less than 1, greater than 1, 0 or 1. Chi-square will be 0, because if observed is equal to expected, observed value is equal to expected value, then observed minus expected square by e means observed minus expected value square by e is equal to 0 for all values, so that here chi-square is equal to 0. So C is equal, here 49 answer is C. Then question number 50. The method of making research inference from general to particular is, from general to particular it is called as deductive, general to particular, and particular to general inductive, general to particular deductive, because deductive reasoning moves from general theory to specific or particular observation. So option A is the right answer. Then question number 51. The y-intercept of a line is a point when y is 0, y is negative, x is 0 or x is negative. Y-intercept of a line is a point when x is equal to 0, because here right answer is C, because we know that the y-intercept is where the line cross the y-axis. Y-intercept means where the line cross the y-axis. This is the x-axis, this is the y-axis. So y-intercept is where the line cross the y-axis. Here value of x is equal to, in this point value of x is equal to 0. So x is 0. Then next question, question number 52. Mode can be obtained by 3 median minus 2 mean. 3 mean minus 2, 3 median minus 2 mean. Yes, option D is the right answer. This is direct formula to find out mode. Mode is equal to 3 median minus 2 mean, option D. Question number 53. When two coins are tossed, what is the probability of getting 2 tail? When two coins are tossed, then what is the probability of getting 2 tail? So here if we find the sample space is equal to 2 coins are tossed, so either head or head tail or tail head or tail tail. These are the probabilities. So to find out the probability of getting 2 tail is only one time there is the probability of getting 2 tail. So here the probability of tail is equal to 1 by total outcome is equal to 4. So 1 by 4 is the answer. This is given in the option number A. Then question number 54. Derivative of log x is, derivative of log x by dx is equal to 1 by x. Here log is equal to natural logs 1 by x. So right answer is 1 by x. Simple formula, direct formula of logarithm. The derivative of log x is equal to 1 by x. Option number D. Question number 55. If the marginal revenue is 25 and the elasticity of demand with respect to price is 2, find the average revenue. So we know that here is a formula, MR, marginal revenue, is equal to AR into 1 minus 1 by E, or we can say AR into 1 minus 1 by E. So here AR, average revenue, MR is equal to, here MR given 25, so 25 is equal to AR into 1 minus 1 by 1 by elasticity of demand with respect to price is equal to 2. So 1 by 2. This implies AR into 1 minus 1 by 2 is equal to 0.5. So AR into 1 minus 0.5 is equal to 0.5. So AR into 0.5. So here MR means 25 is equal to 0.5 AR. Here this implies 25 is equal to 0.5 AR. This implies AR is equal to 25 by 0.5, or we can say 250 by 5. So 5 5 are 25, 50. So here right answer is 50. Option B is the right answer. Then question number 56, dash of a matrix is the sum of the elements of the leading diagonal matrix, transpose of a matrix, trace of a matrix, order of a matrix, or none. It is called a trace of a matrix. Trace of a matrix is the sum of elements of the leading diagonal, or we can say the trace is the sum of all the diagonal elements in a square matrix. Suppose 1 0 0 1. Here diagonal elements is 1 1. So trace means it is the sum of all diagonal elements in a square matrix. So 1 plus 1 2. Option B is the right answer. Then question number 57, as per Economic Survey 2011-12, agriculture including allied activities account for dash of GDP in 2010-11 at 2004-5 prices. It was 13.9. Option A is the right answer. Then according to census of India 2011, the literacy rate of India is 74.04. Option C. Then question number 59, as per the HDI report, Human Development Index report 2011, the HDI rank of India is 134. Then R.N. Malhotra committee gave recommendation in the field of insurance sector. Option C, insurance sector. Then NABARD was established on the recommendation of dash committee, that is Shiv Raman committee. Option B, Shiv Raman committee. NABARD was established on the recommendation of Shiv Raman committee. Then question number 62, the Competition Commission of India become operational with effect from the year 2009. Though the Competition Commission of India established in 2003, but it became fully operational in 2009. So answer is A. Then question 63, the states which do not have RRB, regional rural banks, Goa and Sikkim. Yes, Goa and Sikkim is no regional rural bank. Then question number 64, according to 2011 census, which is the most populous state in India? Populous state: Maharashtra, Bihar, Uttar Pradesh, West Bengal. Most populous state in 2011 was Uttar Pradesh. Then question number 65, the grey revolution is associated with grey revolution, oil seed, fertilizer, petroleum, meat. Grey revolution related to fertilizers. The grey revolution refers to increase fertilizer production and use. Then question number 66, the share of industry in total employment in India increased from 16.2% in 1999 2000 to 10% in 910. It is increased to 19.4% in 2009-10. Then question number 67. As for Indian Economic Survey 2011-12, fiscal deficit as percentage of GDP was 6.5%. Then the per capita income of Kerala during 2008-9 at current price, that is 59,716. And 69, the primary sector contribution of state domestic product to Kerala as factor cost during 2008-9 current price was 15.99. 15.99. And question number 70, the sex ratio female per 1000 male in Kerala according to 2011 census in India, that is highest sex ratio 1084. Then DASH is the self-employment scheme meant for uplifting the most backward and segregated women in Kerala belonging to ST community, that is Saranya, SARANYA. And then question 72, district-wise analysis of Kerala's literacy rate according to 2011 census shows that DASH districts has the lowest literacy rate. Wayanad district, lowest in literacy rate. 73, the author of the book Problems of Capital Formation in Underdeveloped Countries, author is Ragnar Knoxe, option D. Problems of Capital Formation in Underdeveloped Countries, authored by Ragnar Knoxe. This book highlights saving, investment and development constraint in underdeveloped countries. Question number 74, according to Hicks classification of technical progress, given constant capital output ratio, technical progress is said to be dash if it raises the marginal product of labor in greater proportion than marginal product of capital. It is capital saving, labor saving, or neutral. It is capital saving in nature, capital saving, because it saves capital by making labor more productive relative to capital. So it is capital saving in nature. Question number 75, according to Rostow, in which stage growth becomes a normal condition of the society? Precondition to take off, drive to maturity, or age of high mass consumption. There are 5 stages according to W. Rostow, that is traditional society, precondition to take off stage, drive to maturity, age of high mass consumption. So here in which stage it becomes a normal condition of the society growth, that is take off stage, option B, take off stage. In this stage self-sustained growth begins, making growth the norm. Question number 76, according to Joan Robinson, which type of golden age has a situation where a steady rate of accumulation of capital takes place below full employment? A leaden golden age, bastard golden age, restrained golden age, or limping golden age? That is option B, A, bastard golden age, because this age has growth but with unemployment, not achieving full employment. So option B is the right answer. Then question number 77, the gender empowerment measure GEM was introduced by the Human Development Report of the year 1995. Yes, 1995. GEM or gender empowerment measure was introduced in Human Development Research 1995 to measure women's political and economic empowerment. Then question number 78, the optimum population theory was propounded by Thomas Robert Malthus, Dalton, Edwin Cannon, or C.P. Blacker. Optimum population theory was given by Edwin Cannon. Option C is the right answer. Edwin Canner developed the optimum population theory which balance population size with maximum per capita income. In optimum population theory, it balance population size with maximum per capita income. In question number 79, for any component of HDI, individual indices are calculated according to the formula actual value minus minimum value by maximum value minus minimum value, or maximum by minimum by actual minus minimum, or actual minus maximum by maximum minus minimum, or none of this. So for any component of HDI, means Human Development Index, individual indices are calculated according to actual value minus minimum value by maximum value minus minimum value. So option A is the right answer, because this normalize values between 0 and 1. 0 and 1 for each HDI component. HDI component like health, education or income, that is it normalizes the value between 0 and 1. Actual value minus minimum value by maximum minus minimum value. Then today's last question, question number 80. The problem of population is not for mere size but efficient production and equitable distribution. This statement has been remarked by Malthus, Seligman, Smith or Ricardo. This statement remarked by Seligman, option B, because Seligman emphasized that distribution and efficiency are more critical than just population size. So here he emphasized more on the distribution and efficiency than the population size. So option B is the right answer. This is all about for the today's session. I hope you enjoyed this video and gain some knowledge from this video. If you are really gainful from this video, please like the video. Also, if you have any doubt, comment in the comment section and share with your friends so that all are getting benefited from this video. In the next part, we will going to discuss from question number 81 to 120. So those who come for the first time, please subscribe to this channel, and those who do not watch the previous part videos till now, they can watch in the playlist. So thank you all for watching. Jai Jagannath.